Diving into digital dollars? What is cryptocurrency? Let's talk money, folks. In today's world, money isn't just paper bills and metal coins anymore, it's evolving. And one of the most exciting developments is cryptocurrency. You know about dollars, pounds, euros? These are traditional currencies issued by governments and used globally for trade and commerce. Cryptocurrency is like digital money, but there's a twist. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on technology called blockchain. Imagine cash that lives online, secured by clever computer code. That's cryptocurrency. It's a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. No banks, no governments, just pure digital value. This means transactions can be made directly between users without the need for an intermediary. Bitcoin was the first, like the Ford Model T of crypto. Launched in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Now thousands exist, each with its own quirks and potential. From Ethereum to Ripple, each cryptocurrency offers unique features and uses. It's still early days, like the Wild West, but that's what makes it exciting. The cryptocurrency market is rapidly evolving with new innovations and opportunities emerging all the time. Let's learn how to navigate this new world of money. Understanding cryptocurrency can open up a world of possibilities, from investment opportunities to new ways of conducting transactions. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the future of finance. Choosing your trading turf. The importance of the right exchange. Want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum? The first step is to find a reliable exchange. This is where you'll trade your traditional money for digital currency. You'll need an exchange, your digital marketplace. It's the hub where all your crypto transactions will take place. Think of it like the New York Stock Exchange, but for crypto. Just as you wouldn't buy stocks without a trusted broker, you shouldn't buy crypto without a trusted exchange. Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, these are big names, but there are many more. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Each has fees, security features, and coins available. Do your homework. Researching these aspects can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Look for low fees, strong security, and a user-friendly interface. These factors can make a big difference in your trading experience. It's your money. Choose wisely. The right exchange can offer peace of mind and smooth transactions. A good exchange is crucial for easy buying, selling, and managing your crypto. It can also provide valuable tools and resources for tracking your investments. Don't jump into the first one you see. Take your time to compare and contrast. Your future self will thank you for making an informed decision. Your gateway to crypto. Setting up your exchange account. You've picked an exchange, now let's open an account. This is usually simple, like setting up any online profile. You'll need an email, a strong password, write it down, and maybe some personal information for verification. Exchanges need to comply with regulations, so expect some KYC, know your customer procedures. It's for your safety and theirs. Once verified, you're in. Time to fund your account and get ready to buy some crypto. Section 4. Knowledge is power. Research before you invest. You wouldn't buy a car without checking its engine, right? Same goes for crypto. Don't just buy because of hype. Understand what you're investing in. What problem does this coin solve? Who's behind it? What are its long-term prospects? Read white papers, follow crypto news, join online communities. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Remember, every investment has risks. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Knowledge is your best shield. Section 5. Safeguarding your digital assets. Choosing the right crypto wallet. You've got your crypto, now protect it. Exchanges are convenient but not the safest place for long-term storage. Enter the crypto wallet, like a digital vault for your coins, keeping them safe from hackers and theft. Hardware wallets are like USB drives, storing your keys offline for maximum security. Software wallets are apps on your phone or computer. Choose a reputable wallet with strong security features. Your crypto is only as safe as the wallet you choose. Section 6. Slow and steady wins the race. Starting small and staying patient. Ready to buy? Start small. Dip your toes in the water before diving headfirst. Remember, it's a volatile market. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different coins you believe in. Crypto is a long game. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be patient, ride out the dips, and believe in your investments. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful crypto portfolio. Stay consistent, learn and adapt. Section 7. The future is digital. Embrace the learning curve. Congratulations. You've taken your first steps into the world of cryptocurrency. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your curiosity and willingness to explore new financial frontiers. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and ever-evolving, offering endless opportunities for those who are willing to dive in and learn. It's a wild ride, but a potentially rewarding one. The market can be volatile, with prices swinging dramatically in short periods. However, with great risk comes great potential for reward. The key is to stay informed and make educated decisions. The key? Never stop learning. This space moves fast. New technologies, coins, and investment strategies emerge regularly. By continuously educating yourself, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Stay curious, ask questions, and adapt to new information. Engage with communities, join forums, and participate in discussions. The more you immerse yourself in the world of cryptocurrency, the more you'll understand its nuances and intricacies. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every error is a learning opportunity. The most successful investors have all faced setbacks and challenges. What sets them apart is their ability to learn from these experiences and grow stronger. They're part of the learning process. Each mistake provides valuable insights that can guide your future decisions. Embrace them, analyze them, and use them as stepping stones to greater knowledge and success. What matters is that you learn and grow from them. Celebrate your successes no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. The journey of learning is continuous, and every step you take brings you closer to mastery. The future of finance is being written in code. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we think about money, transactions, and trust. By understanding the underlying technology, you can better appreciate the potential of cryptocurrencies and their impact on the global financial system. Be a part of it. Dive into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies with enthusiasm and an open mind. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright for those who are willing to learn and adapt. Invest wisely, stay informed, and who knows what the future holds. The world of cryptocurrency is full of potential, and with the right knowledge and mindset, you can navigate it successfully. Embrace the journey and let your curiosity lead the way.